Located at the heart of the St. Lawrence River, Montreal is a true North American strategic hub. It is a center of innovation and exchange, where succeeding generations of builders constructed a world-class metropolis. Montreal, renowned for its quality of life and festive character, is a creative center where ideas proliferate. Residents also benefit from the Canadian economic environment, often cited for its solidity and stability. With close to 4 million inhabitants, Greater Montreal is rich in talent and expertise. 11 university establishments ensures the presence of a qualified workforce. Montreal is the birthplace of Canadian finance. International trade has been part of Montreal's DNA. While building on this historic base, the city has its goals set on the future, as Foreign Direct Investment magazine recently noted. Quebec's financial industry is dynamic and robust. Montreal's constant progression in the World Financial Center rankings between 2008 and 2013, produced by the Z/Yen Group of London, demonstrates the metropolis's economic vigor and the sophistication of its financial industry. Finance Montreal, which brings together all of Quebec's financial ecosystem's key private and public sector players, is an important focal point of the industry's interests. The organization's mission is to strengthen Quebec's financial sector by stimulating growth, fostering the completion of high-value added financial activities, and increasing Montreal's position on the world stage. Finance Montreal has launched work groups in several sectors to accentuate the city's financial sector expertise and to build on existing worldwide recognition of the specializations found in Montreal.
We have invested a lot in technology over the last few years and within the bank, and I think we clearly, I think like everybody else, understand the very important impact and role that technology will play in all aspects of the economy, including finance. So luckily in Montreal, we have strong technology expertise here in Montreal, particularly in financial services. And I think it was a natural to bring together and try to merge and try to mix the strong expertise we have both in finance and in technology, and to be able to help firms here in Montreal and other places harness that growth.
We believe that with the size of the financial institutions already present in Montreal, we can develop programs which will benefit a lot to some of our people, and that this will help to bring Montreal as being more competitive. Finally, what we want to do also is to retain in Montreal local talent and help professionals from other parts of the world to come here and to stay in Montreal, because at the end of the day, financial services is about people.
Montreal is an ideal place to set up financial operations in North America. A solid, modern regulatory framework with a reputation for integrity enables market operators to effectively conduct their business.
In the financial services industry, technology is a competitive asset, in particular for the exchanges. Over the past 15 years, we've been able to access a unique talent pool in the technology space, and we've been able to leverage technology to build our marketplace and to gain access to international customers. In fact, our derivatives trading and clearing platform, called SOLA, is used not only in the Montreal Exchange, but also at other exchanges in the US and across Europe.
La Caisse de Dépôt is one of Canada's leading asset and pension fund managers. Having been in this business for almost 50 years, we've developed, obviously, a great deal of expertise in this area. We think that the model of Canadian pension fund management has a number of very positive and important characteristics. First, we have the ability, the agility to act like a business and to respond and seize opportunities. We work under a very good and sound governance structure. We have a great deal of capital and very predictable and substantial cash flows. Because of the size of La Caisse, we're able to take part in transactions that aren't available to a lot of other investors. For instance, we invest substantial amounts in less liquid asset classes like infrastructure, real estate, and a number of others. We're also able, because of our size and scale, to offer a variety of interesting challenges in other fields. We hire geologists, engineers, telecom experts, consumer product experts. And I think that's one of the things that gives us an edge when it comes to attracting and retaining the very best talent. And on that basis, that allows us to continue building pension fund management expertise here in Montreal and more broadly in Quebec. And all of that is to ensure that Montreal continues to take its growing place, the growing place that it deserves in the world's financial markets.
For more than 25 years, the Quebec government has offered tax incentives to support new, qualified financial services establishments who choose to conduct certain financial operations on its territory. This direct aid comes on top of other advantages found in Montreal, such as operating costs and business tax rates among the lowest of North American cities. A new investing destination, posting low risk with great yield potential, is now beeping on your radar. Montreal. Are you ready to seize the opportunity?